Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn Don't Fear the Reaper. And in this video we're only going to learn the intro to it. It's got that really neat intro, and this is a good one for beginners. It's one that's accessible if you don't play chords or are just learning chords. And it's a great one to get started on. But I will also do some play-alongs a little bit later where I'll go over some of the riffs and licks that happen within the song as well as the solo. But I won't release those on YouTube until much later, possibly even in 2021. To get access to those, check out the description below and sign up for my guitar community. In that, you'll have access to the Halloween course, which will have all of the play-alongs for this song as well as a bunch of others. If you have a request, then leave that in the comments below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a bunch of Halloween songs for the rest of October. Alright guys, let's get started on this one, and we're going to get started by just going through the chords first. So this only has 3 chords, and let's go over them. So we've got an A chord, and for the A chord we're only going to need 3 strings, so I'm not going to do a full A chord. I'm just going to have my second finger on the D string, my third finger on the G string on the 2nd fret, so the second finger is on the D string, 2nd fret, third finger is on the G string, 2nd fret. And then, so that's the A chord. Then I'm gonna go to the G chord, and that is all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do a full G chord either. And all I'm gonna do there is my second finger is gonna be on the 2nd fret of the A string, my third finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, and that's G. And then F, I'm not going to do a full of that one either. All you need is to play 2 strings. So first finger is on the 1st fret of the E, and third finger is on the 3rd fret of the A. So let's go through that picking pattern for this one, because that's the main thing that drives this riff. The chords are easy, the picking pattern is what's going to make it sound the way that it does. So this A string, we're just going to do A, D, G, then we're going to lift up our finger and play G again. So, alright, so then we're going to go to that G, and we're just going to play the top 4 strings. So A, G, and then F, we're going to play the top 4 strings as well. Then we're going to go back to G. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's the riff. So without any stops, but still really slow, it sounds like this. A, G, F, G, A, G, F, G. Alright, so work on that picking pattern. A lot of the times what I am doing is for the A, I'm going down, 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 up. And then for the G, I'm just going straight across. Down, 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 down. So down, 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 out, down, 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 down. And actually, sometimes when I'm playing it faster, I'll probably do an up on that G string on the last note every time. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. But really, it's just whatever's comfortable for you. But if you choose a way to play it, then stick to that way. Don't switch back and forth, because that's gonna keep you from progressing. So let's go over it one more time fast and then stay tuned for that play along. So here we go. F, G, A, G, F, G. Alright guys, so stay tuned for more Halloween videos. If you have a request, leave that below. If you'd like some more videos about this song, because there's a lot more to cover in this song, then sign up for the courses below, and I'll see you in the next video.